Hey, this is Jack from PNC Learning here. We're often asked the question, what's the difference between the CAIB 1 and the Fundamentals of Insurance exam to get your Level 1 insurance license? So the CAIB 1, or the Canadian Accredited Insurance Broker Program Level 1, and the Fundamentals of Insurance program can both be used in many provinces to get your Level 1 license. The only difference is in Alberta and Ontario, where they use a slightly different program. Both of these can help you get your Level 1 license. How do you decide which one to pick? Well, it depends on where you see yourself in your career. The Fundamentals of Insurance exam is a little bit easier for a few reasons. Number one, there's slightly less content to memorize. And number two is that the exam is 100% multiple choice questions versus the CAIB 1, which involves some key terms, some multiple choice, as well as some short answer questions. If you're just starting out in the industry, I would recommend getting your Level 1 license via the Fundamentals of Insurance exam. It's also cheaper and quicker to pass. Now, when might someone want to consider the CAIB 1 exam? You would consider the CAIB 1 exam if you intend to get your Canadian Accredited Insurance Broker's designation. To get this designation, you have to pass all 4 CAIB exams: CAIB 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you plan to get this designation, maybe you want to start with a CAIB 1 just so you can get that out of the way and you don't have to go back and take that exam later. However, I would say for most people just starting out, they should take the Fundamentals of Insurance exam. The exam's easier, it's cheaper, you can pass faster, and you can start working in the industry and gaining experience. I hope this helps.